name's Jason Woods. Welcome to Chasing the Apex. So this will be kind of an interesting video. It will be interesting for me. It'll be interesting for me to edit for sure. So here's what occurred. Somebody actually went back, and I didn't know I didn't know you guys actually went back to the beginning of the channel and watched our earlier videos, but apparently some of you do. But somebody went back to one of the original videos on the Eduard Pogea tune and was like, hey man, I don't have enough information from this. And I thought, that's probably true. Now, I don't have enough information for this. I can tell you that the air and fuel mixture has been changed, and Eduard's tunes are very, 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 very good. And if it wasn't for Eduard Pogea pushing me into doing a YouTube video, Chasing the Apex wouldn't exist. Actually, this video or this footage was shot for a channel that wasn't Chasing the Apex, because I actually never had any intention of starting a YouTube channel. It just kind of happened, and I just kept kind of going, and you know, you guys just kind of kept watching, and you guys kept kind of just encouraging, and I just kind of kept taping. And for that, I'm super appreciative. So, for you guys, let's go back and look at the footage that's never been released on this channel about the Pogea Racing tune. Now, I'm not a spec guy, but I can tell you, it was dynoed. So let's look at that. Let's see what you guys think. So first we're going to disconnect the grounding cable. Oh my goodness, is it going to blow up? It might. What do we got going on here? Oh, I just unclick that and pull it off. Well, I'll be darned. It really is that easy. Next, we're going to take care of these two clips here, which I believe are the connectors to the circuit boards. Don't quote me, I'm stupid. We're just going to yank that up. Well, I'll be damned. It really is that easy. Now, Now we're just going to unbolt those four. And he said 10 millimeters, so let's do that. So he was interesting because he said to use a 10 millimeter hex bolt, and he said his 6-year-old could do this in 4 minutes. And I don't think he meant that offensively. I really think he meant, look, dude, it's super easy, and you're being complicated. So 10 millimeter hex bolt. And it really is just unbolt. If anybody can do it, wow, I can do it. That's crazy easy. Then we pull it forward, and I'll be darned, there it is. Run it on the dyno. So after the Pogea Racing tune, to the crank, the claim is about 300 horsepower.
So we have a Mustang dyno here that reads about 7% lower than a standard dyno jet. The car did back-to-back 254, 257 at the wheels on a Mustang dyno with a 7% loss from a dyno jet, which would put it right between 290 to 300 at the crank when you take in drivetrain loss and the 7% loss from a Mustang dyno into consideration.
So thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and thank you to Eduard Pogea for thrusting me into the world of social media, something that I never thought I'd ever be doing. And thank you all for watching, and we appreciate your time, and I know I appreciate your time. You know, you got the dude that looks like Uncle Fester up here, and I got a face for radio, and you still tolerate me. So thanks for watching Chasing the Apex. I've got something kind of neat next week. I got a friend that's actually going to do the edit for next week, and let's see what he creates. He had an idea. Well, another friend had an idea, and he volunteered to edit it for me. So we'll see what he brings. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and we'll see you next week.